Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. My name is Saida Salah Freelancing Wale and I'm a foundation level student at Rahan School. So viewers, today I watched a video of a message of peace from Pakistan by Ashar Hassan. So today I will share a TEDx talk review of this video. So let's start. In the TEDx talk, A Message of Peace from Pakistan, Asar Hassan talks about the positive image of Pakistan and the importance of peace, unity, and understanding among people. He explains that many times the world only sees negative news about Pakistan, while the country also has kindness, talent, culture, and hardworking people. The talk gives a message that peace begins with understanding and respect for each other. Asar Hassan encourages people to focus on hope and positivity instead of fear and hatred. He believes that every person can play a role in creating a peaceful society. This inspiring message helps people think positively about humanity and the future. The speaker also explains that misunderstanding and fear create distance between people and nations. Many conflicts happen because people judge others without truly knowing them. Ashar Hassan believes that communication and education can reduce hatred and build stronger relationships between communities. He encourages people to listen to each other and learn about different cultures and perspectives. The talk teaches that kindness and empathy can make the world more peaceful. Respecting others creates trust and harmony in society. This lesson is important for both young people and adults. Another important lesson from the talk is that young people have the power to create change. Asar Hassan says that youth are the future of every nation and they can spread peace through education, creativity, and positive actions. Instead of focusing on negativity, young people should work towards positive change. He believes that even small actions can create a big impact on society. Helping others, speaking kindly, and working honestly are simple ways to promote peace. The talk motivates students to become responsible and care citizens. The TEDx talk also highlights the beauty of Pakistani culture and values. Pakistan is a country rich in traditions, hospitality, history, and talent. Asar Hassan explains that people in Pakistan are warm, generous, and welcome. He wants the world to see the positive side of the country instead of only hearing negative stereotypes. The talk encourages pride in cultural identity while also promoting global understanding and cooperation. Appreciating different cultures helps create peace and friendship among nations. Diversity should be celebrated, not feared. Another inspiring point in the talk is that peace starts with individuals. Governments and leaders are important, but ordinary people also have the power to create positive change through their daily actions. Speaking kindly, helping others, and avoiding ending hate can improve communications and relationships. Asar Hassan explains that peace is not only the absence of conflict but also the presence of respect, justice, and compassion. Positive actions can inspire others and spread hope in society. Every person can become a messenger of peace. In conclusion, A Message of Peace from Pakistan is a powerful and inspiring British talk that promotes understanding, kindness, and unity. It teaches people to look beyond negativity and focus on humanity and hope. Asar Hassan encourages young people to become positive ambassadors for peace and progress. The talk highlights the importance of education, communication, and empathy in building stronger societies. It inspires people to respect culture differences and work together for a better future. Overall, this TEDx talk delivers a meaningful message about peace, positivity, and the power of human connection. So viewers, this is my TEDx talk review of this video. I hope you like it. See you in the next TEDx talk review with a new topic and with a new title. So I hope you like it. Wishing you all the best for your future and thank you so much for watching me and also my channel. So stay connected with me for more updates and inspiring podcasts, interviews, TEDx talk reviews, Maya session, etc. So Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Pakistan Zindabad. Rehan School Zindabad.